The essence of lean product development is a focus on value. And one of the most powerful models I've found to help you decide what is valuable is Kano analysis. And the way Kano analysis works comes from the Kano's named after the chap who invented it. There's two axes. On the vertical axis is customer satisfaction. And that will be from frustrated through to delighted. So there's 5 graduations: frustrated, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, delighted. So that's on the y-axis. Obviously delighted at the top because that's the way we look at the world, right? And then functionality from left to right is from none through to awesome. I think you used the word best, but I like awesome. And so in the middle, it's like basic rudimentary stuff. Now, the thing is that middle point is neutral basic. So it means meh quality, basic functionality. This is your home brand type stuff. This is disposable. There is absolutely no delight, no satisfaction, no real stimulus or motivation for people to buy your product. As soon as you start heading towards that customer delight space, best functionality, that is where we get customer delight. So if you can think about a product that you really, really love, if you can think about an experience where you said that was exceptional service, it did what I needed, and it was a joy to be part of, you've just achieved delighted customer satisfaction levels. Now, what we know is that when people experience that, they become ambassadors. Have you ever met that person that's they're so wrapped in a particular product, they'll recommend it constantly? There's a certain phone company that has done that really well, and people will just love their ecosystem and say, oh, you got to get one of these. This is the best thing since sliced bread. If we aim for this, and we can use that graduation scale to think every feature, everything we do to our products, will this shift the needle towards best functionality and customer delight? Is it going to help us get there? If it doesn't, don't do it. And this can tie into releasing as well. What's the point in releasing something that makes the experience poorer? And it's like first aid. Do no harm is the bare minimum. Have you ever experienced an app or a product where they release a new version and it goes backwards? And you're thinking, oh, crikey, why did you do that? You were great before. Now you're just average. So the Kano model is a nice rubric or heuristic to evaluate each idea of adding or removing aspects from your product. You'll notice that the idea of done and the concept of quality is not discussed at this point. We're expecting quality. Because if you don't get to done, you will disappoint your customers. This tool is to evaluate whether the functionality is going to add or grow your product and whether it is customer delight. Now, given we're delivering our products to people, right? Given that we don't know what's going on, this can lead us into that iterative process where we can put a feature out there, evaluate whether it does delight our customers, and have that mechanism for removing it if it doesn't. Short feedback loops, fast learning, that's the essence of lean. So we can flow things through the system, run an experiment, take the learning, iterate on it. If they like it, do more of it. If they don't, do less of it, take it out, remove it. So with lean product development, that ruthless focus on value, looking to maximize delivery and minimize waste, if we can apply tools like Kano to think about what we're doing, means we're not going to be wasting our time building stuff that will not add value.